The power of averaging down, which is obviously the purchase of units of stocks after the price went down. I'm gonna give you a real life example here. I'm gonna take Facebook, which is one of the best stocks I've ever bought. What happened here is that after announcing earnings, Facebook lost 20% of its value. This is what the media said. The chief financial officer said that Facebook will grow at a single digit number from then on. Revenue will lose some speed. Obviously, the stock after this collapsed big time. The price went from $214 to a price of $176. I did not hesitate to buy Facebook because at the time they had 40 billion in cash and investments. They had no debt, which is very rare for a company. Also, Messenger and WhatsApp were not even monetized, and we are considering billions of people using them. Another thing is that Instagram had only 1 billion users, and I knew it would grow a lot from that. Also, they were improving privacy more than other social media. This is why I decided to invest here $1,000. Next, what happened? Facebook started to get an insane amount of bad news. I've never seen anything like that, seriously. The media was killing it. Seems like someone was trying to sink Facebook. It was crazy. This is something they were saying about Facebook. So if you want to read it, just stop the video. The price obviously went down again, this time reaching $151. So we are talking about 14% from the heights I bought. So this is my range where I like to buy more. Zuckerberg stayed composed. Also, he managed everything well. When he was called to testify, he was very smart. He seemed like a very composed person. This is what I liked, so I decided to double up my investment on Facebook. So my holding now is $2,000. Now I'm at minus 7% from my investment. I started to buy at $176. Now we are minus 7 because before we were at minus 14. Now I doubled up. When we reach minus 15, 20, usually I buy more. So now to buy more I needed to be down at least again 8%. So I was waiting for a price of $138 in case I needed to buy more. The price went also more than I thought, bottoming at $125. And this is why I doubled up again at $135. Very close to the bottom there. After buying twice, doubling up twice, my holding now was $4,000. Obviously I was still down 8% because we have to do the average, so my price was $3,680. The stock skyrocketed though, so it was a very good investment. Now using some maths we can calculate the value at the time of the video when the stock was priced $200, and now the stock was worth $5,450. So I'm very happy with that, and this is only the beginning. I really believe the stock can go up a lot. I hope I don't bring back bad luck with that, but yeah, obviously this is the power of averaging down. Always remember, if you believe in the company, you shouldn't be afraid of buying more. And if you have no more money, find a way to make some new, as I said before, or just let the stock go down. If it's a good stock, it will climb up no matter what. I could have easily followed the crowd and let the stock sleep, but I was relaxed, composed, so I decided to invest every time. And yeah, I bought a great company that was undervalued or received bad news in this case. I did not use all the money right away. It is very difficult to catch the bottom. Every time I saw in my portfolio minus 15-20%, I bought more. Obviously, if something convinces you that the stock is worth more, you can even buy before. And I kept the stock until it was time to sell. I made a video, you can rewatch it, when to sell stock. Remember, relax and learn. I hope you enjoyed this example. It was something different that I want to show you.